Hi, I'm Terry Franz.
This is Photoshop, and I will show you how to draw, how to paint between some small parts and do it freely without worrying to damage those parts. So I have to
Paint
those yellow areas onto.
green.
I'll do that with the help of stamp tool. You see, you can paint
Some
areas you don't have to paint. So
I'll go back by using Ctrl Z and will use the tool I love to use, an object selection tool,
and select those leaves and go to edit.
copy and paste this area.
So I create new layer with those leaves only. And I will
Do it on visible. And now everything I am doing on a background layer only. So I will use clone stamp tool and paint with the green everywhere freely. I was painting over the leaves, but it's okay. Now I will do the layer with leaves visible and everything is done. Leaves are okay and area is not yellow but green already. That's it. See you next time.